Well, time for another tasty barrel-aged cocktail. This is actually a Scotch cocktail. It's called a Rusty Nail. The Rusty Nail, and this is actually one of the recipes from our new recipe book. These are available on our website. This has got recipes for whiskey, rum, tequila, gin, just different types of cocktails that you can age in a barrel, add a new dimension of flavor. This is the Rusty Nail. It's a Scotch recipe. It's actually made with half and half Scotch whiskey and half Drambuie. Drambuie is actually a Scotch liqueur, but unlike a lot of liqueurs that are lower proof, you know, maybe a 40 to 60 proof, this is actually an 80 proof liqueur. In fact, it's the first time I've ever tried Drambuie and tasted it by itself. It's pretty good. It's kind of a creamy liqueur, kind of like you know, something you'd see like a bourbon cream or something like that. This is Scotch, so the base liquor is Scotch, and it's basically just mixed half and half with Scotch. A friend of mine actually just came back from Scotland, took a tour of the Tomatin Scotch whiskey distillery, and this is a Highland single malt Scotch, really tasty. And I'll tell you what, it's even tastier mixed with the Drambuie. But then what we've done is we put it in a barrel and we let this one age for 5 weeks in a 2-liter barrel. So basically we made about 1.5 liters, so we didn't quite fill the barrel up of this cocktail. Put it in the barrel, left it in there for 5 weeks, added some color to it, it added some flavor to it, really allowed those liquors to mingle and really get some new depth to the taste of the cocktail. And that's what you're going to get when you barrel age your cocktails. So this right here, I'll tell you, not everybody's a Scotch fan, but if you are a Scotch fan, I think you'll like this cocktail. It is pretty tasty. So if you're interested in the recipe, it's on our website and it's also in our booklet, which make great. So if you're giving someone a gift, these little booklets make a great gift to go with it. Something that they can use to make their own barrel-aged cocktails. But definitely recommend it, especially if you're a Scotch fan. You're definitely going to want to try the Rusty Nail. So cheers to you, and age well, my friends.